I found a wonderful bit of guidance for making the most out of this time period in the writings of Rav Nosson Tzvi Wachvogel, the famed many-decade mashgiach of the Lakewood Yeshiva. He says we have to view these times, these days, these 3 weeks, not just as times of chorban, of destruction and sadness, but adarab, as times of tikkun and building. It's a time to rebuild. It's time to affect change. It's time to rebuild things further. If we take this idea seriously, it means we have to think, what does it mean to build Jerusalem? That we have an amazing light rail, modern city, new business complex. We have to think how to build Yerushalayim, the Beis HaMikdash. What makes Jerusalem Jerusalem? What's Jerusalem? What's Yerushalayim's unique message to the world? What does it mean that Yerushalayim is Oru Shel Olam? That's step one. And then we have to think, how can I help rebuild that? How can I build Yerushalayim? How can I help rebuild Beis HaMikdash in myself, in my family, in my community? And realize, friends, that this is not a kula, a leniency. It's a chumra, it's a stringency. Meaning, if we're finding a new way to attach to these days, and we want to really try to attach to these days, as we spoke about last week, so now, and if we have a new approach, we have to work with that. How can I work with this idea? How can I build up? What building can I do during this time? And that's the question that's in front of us. To make the most of this time, to experience the Chorban, but to think of these days also as Tikkun and Binyan, and how to correctly and fully help rebuild Yerushalayim.